Every gardener envisions a flourishing, pest-free garden, but sometimes the very plants we choose invite unwanted visitors. Certain plants act as magnets for destructive insects, leading to infestations that can quickly get out of hand. Whether you're growing vegetables, flowers, or ornamental plants, understanding which species attract pests and how to mitigate the risks is crucial. Sunflowers add beauty and height to a garden, but they can also draw aphids, beetles, and even rodents. The nutrient-rich seeds entice birds and squirrels, leading to potential disturbances in vegetable gardens. To manage pests without eliminating sunflowers, consider planting them along the perimeter of your garden as a trap crop, attracting pests away from more delicate plants. Keeping an eye on early signs of aphids and using insecticidal soap can help prevent large infestations. If these plants are already part of your garden, you don't have to remove them entirely. Implementing smart gardening practices can minimize pest risks while allowing you to enjoy your favorite plants. Companion planting, introducing beneficial predators like ladybugs, using floating row covers, and applying organic pest deterrents such as neem oil can all help keep your garden pest-free. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can maintain a lush, thriving garden without the frustration of constant infestations. Choosing plants wisely is key to maintaining a healthy, pest-resistant garden. While these 5 plants have their benefits, they also invite common garden pests that can wreak havoc on your hard work. By taking preventative measures and using natural pest control methods, you can enjoy a vibrant, flourishing garden without unnecessary stress. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Hydrohaven for more in-depth gardening tips and tricks. Share this video with fellow gardeners, and let's work together to create healthier, pest-free gardens.